Good job. Mommy help. Good job. What next letter do you have? What's the next letter? Next letter. Iguana. Where does iguana go? Yay, Emma! Yay, good job. What's the next letter? Is that leaves? Leaves. L for leaves. Where does it go? Keep looking. Where does it go? Where does that L go? No, that's Mommy's drink. Where does the L go, Emma? Where does the L go? Can you find where the L goes?